You don't have a discipline problem. You have a finishing problem. Let me ask you something. How many things have you started and never finished? Courses, projects, plans. Be honest. At first, you're excited. You feel motivated. You start strong. But then, something changes. You slow down. You lose focus. You stop. And you tell yourself, I'll come back later. But you don't. Think about it right now. What is the last thing you started and quietly abandoned? If you're honest, you already know. You don't stop because you're lazy. You stop because the structure disappears. In the beginning, everything is clear. But as you move forward, clarity fades. And without clarity, your brain loses direction. No direction. Hesitation. Hesitation. Delay. Delay. Abandonment. And suddenly, you're someone who never finishes. But that's not who you are. That's just your system failing. The real problem is not starting. It's sustaining. And sustaining requires structure. Not emotion. Not motivation. Structure. Let me ask you, when things get harder, do you have a system that keeps you going, or do you rely on how you feel? That answer explains everything. Here's what actually happens. You start with energy. But energy is temporary. Then comes friction, confusion, effort, and without structure, you drop. If you want to start finishing, you need to fix this. Step 1. Define checkpoints. Don't think in finish, think in stages. Small wins keep momentum alive. Do you have checkpoints, or just one big goal? Step 2. Reduce complexity. If it's too big, you will avoid it. Break it down. Make it simple enough to continue. Step 3. Create continuation rules. Not, I'll do it when I feel like it, but I continue no matter what, even at 20%, even imperfectly. Consistency beats intensity. Try this. Take one thing you abandoned. Don't restart. Just continue. From where you left it. No perfection. Just movement. You don't fail because you can't start. You fail because you don't continue. And until you fix that, you will stay in a loop of unfinished attempts. Stop starting over. Start finishing. That's where real progress begins. Be honest. What is one thing you didn't finish that you know you should? Write it in the comments. And if you're ready to stop repeating the same cycle, subscribe. We're building control here.